Oh, this is easy. In this little demonstration, I'm going to show you how to recall a older action. The way it's set up now with ZModeler, you can recall the last action. So I'm going to show you how to recall an older one. Alright, I got the ZModeler, and if I right click over face, we got extrude on. So let's say I'm going to make a leg for a chair. So if I drag this up, and I come over here and just click, it should go up to the same height. I can double check that by using the move here, and transpose has measurements. So if I click down here to the next point, which it will snap, it tells me in units 0.2984. If I come over and get a measurement right here, I get the same thing. Now I want to change the measurement between these 2 points because I don't care for units and 0.00 whatever. So go with preference, transpose units. You can name it to whatever you want. I'll just name this inch. Press enter. And for the calibration, I'm going to just press 1. Press enter. From anywhere from these 2 points is now going to be 1 inch. So if I go right here to here, 1 inch. Alright, now I'm starting to make the legs for my chair. Alright, I need one over here and one over here. For some reason I forget what I'm doing, and I'm over here clicking and clicking, and I said oops, now I need to go over here and make my leg. But if I click up here, I get this one here because it's recalling this one here. So how can I get the same height as that one here? Well, I'll show you. I know my leg's going to be here and one over the other side, but I need to get the measurement next to one of these legs next to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn polyframe off, then I'm going to move over here and drag up. Turn my draw size down just a little bit. Alright. Now when I drag up, I do not want to let go of the left mouse button. I can drag up and go down and up and down, but don't let go of it. Now what I'm looking for is, see where the seam is in the middle? It's till it disappears. Once it disappears, that means it's the same height. Alright, I got it close, but there's a seam here. I just want to show you what will happen if it's not the same. I'm pressing hotkey for our dynamic geometry, and it didn't fuse it together. That's telling me it's not the same. Control Z this, and Control Z this again, and Control Z that again. So what I want to do is I want to drag and go up and carefully match this up till I no longer see a seam. Then when you get something like this, hotkey for subdivision right here, dynamic subdivision, and it fuses together. We can turn on the polyframes, and we can make sure that the measurement here, if we measure this one right here, 1 inch and 1 inch. Well, my leg don't go here, so Control Z that, Control Z, and now if we click over here to make the other leg and this one for this leg, they should be all the same. 1 inch. All these are equal. That's a good way of recalling a older action.